Say no to wandering eyes and yes to better focused students. Are you looking for a reliable way to discourage cheating in your computer testing area or classroom while providing a great environment for your students to keep them focused during their work? With a 19-inch tall tabletop shield, you can do it all. This large shield is 19 inches tall, 26 inches wide, and 24 inches deep, and has an opening in the front for cables. It creates a suitable environment in the computer area or classroom for studying, reading, and testing. This shield is available in 3 colors: craft brown with a black interior, or white on both sides. They're guaranteed to sit level and have rounded corners for your students' eye safety. Our privacy shields are durable and easily store flat. We've been selling privacy shields to schools for almost 20 years. We guarantee our products, and they're proudly made in the USA. And the good news is, students love to use our privacy shields. Thank you for teaching our children. Reward yourself today by ordering this helpful teaching tool. Visit our website at privacyshields.com.